Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start question number 3 of exercise 3a from D3. Okay, x square plus 17x minus 30. We are doing the completing square method, and I have uploaded all the previous work and I have made the playlist so you can watch all the videos in one playlist. Okay, completing square method, this will be x square plus 2 x. I want basically 17, so I will multiply 17, but I don't want this 2, so I will divide with 2 as well. It will be 17 by 2 whole square minus 17 by 2 whole square minus 30. From these three numbers, I'll get x plus 17 by 2 whole square minus. From here, if I will change this in point form, that is much easy for me. It is minus 8.5, and taking square of 8.5, I will get an answer that is 72.25 minus 30. So from here I will get an answer um, x plus 17 by 2 whole square minus 102.25. In part B, they are saying that if it will become an equation, so you have to simplify that. So I will use the same answer and I will put it equal to 0. X plus, I'm writing this as well, 8.5 whole square minus 102.25, this is equal to 0. So this will shift on the other side. 8.5 whole square, this will become is equal to 102.25. okay, now it will be taking square root on both sides. When you will take square root, so you will get an answer that is square root of this will be equal to x plus 8.5, this is equal to plus minus 10.11. okay, one time I will do in plus 10.11 minus 8.5, and or x is equal to minus 10.11 minus 8.5. so from here I will get an answer that is plus 8.5. so from here you will get an answer that is 18.61, or from here I will get an answer, sorry, this answer is of this one, minus 18.61, and over here I have to subtract basically, so it will become, okay, wait, so the answer from here, it is 1.61. so both answer I got. Okay, question number 7 is we have to basically solve the equation. Question number 7, part A is, it is a into a plus 4, this is equal to 3a plus 1. Basically, first of all you have to simplify, and after that we can move it on the other side and get the answer. So from here it will become a square, open the bracket, 4a, this will shift on this side, it will become minus 3a plus 1, this is equal to 0. so from here it will be a square plus a plus 1, this is equal to 0. now either I can use the AC method or by using the completing square method. AC method basically I cannot apply because after multiplication I'll get 1, but there is no number that after addition I will get one answer. So again, by completing square method, a square plus 2a, and because I want only 1 over here, so it will be 1 by 2. The same number I have to multiply and the same number I have to subtract. From here, plus 1, this is equal to 0. So it will become a plus 1 by 2, I can write as 0 0.5 square, minus, from here it is also 0 0.5 square plus 1, this is equal to 0. so 0 0.5 square will be equal to 0 0.25. so from here it will be a plus 0 0.5 whole square minus 0 0.25 plus 1, this is equal to 0. And the answer from here, it is minus 0.7 plus 0.75. It will become a plus 0.5 whole square plus 0.75. This is equal to 0. And I did a mistake from the start. This is minus 1 because when I will shift it on the other side, it will become minus 1. So it is also minus 1 and it will become 1.25. Sorry for the mistake. And this is minus 1.25. So from here it is a plus 0.5 whole square. This will be equal to 1.25. Taking square root on both sides, this and this cancel. It will be a plus 0.5. This is equal to plus minus taking square root of 1.25, and I'll get an answer that is square root of 1.11. Now one time in plus and one time in minus, so it will become a plus 0.5 is equal to 1.11, and from here I will get an answer 1.11 minus 0.5. So the answer will be equal to 0.61. A is equal to 0.61, and on the other side, or a plus 0.5, this is equal to minus 1.11. So a is equal to minus 1.11 minus 0.5. So the answer from here will be equal to 1 point. A is equal to minus 1.61. So this is the answer for part A. Moving towards part B. Okay, b plus 1 whole square is equal to 7b. If it was a number, a constant, then we can directly do the square root and do the process. But now it is 7b. So that means we have to first simplify. That means applying the formula over here, it will be a square plus 2a is b, b is 1. So it will be 2b plus 1. This 7b will shift on the other side. It will become minus 7b. So now it will be b square minus 5b plus 1. This is equal to 0. Now I have to apply the AC method, completing square method. A square minus 2a is b, and b basically I want 5. So 5, and I don't want this 2, so 5 by 2. So same number I have to add, and same number, the square of same number I have to minus. Plus 1 is equal to 0. It will be b minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 is 2.5 whole square plus 1. This is equal to 0. It will be minus 6.25 plus 1. This is equal to 0. It will be b minus 5 by 2. This will become, when we will subtract minus 5.25, this is equal to 0. So this 5.25 will shift on the other side, and it will become b minus 5 by 2 square is equal to 5.25. Taking square root on both sides, this will cancel. It will become b minus this. I am also writing 2.5. This is equal to square root of, it is equal to plus minus 2.291. Okay, one time in plus and one time in minus, it will become minus 2.5 is equal to 2.291, and or b minus 2.5 is equal to minus 2.291. So from here it will be 2.291 plus 2.5, or from here it is equal to minus 2.29 plus 2.5. So this is the answer, 4.79, and from the other side it is 0.21. Clear? Okay, moving towards the next part, that is part C, and part C is saying that C plus 2, and I think I should use a new paper because it will not come on that single paper. It will become, okay, part C is, okay, the same letter and the same part number, C and C. C plus 5, this is equal to C. Okay, let's start. It will be c square plus 5c minus 2c minus 10. I think the multiplication of brackets you know very well. Okay, c square plus 3c minus 10 minus c, this is equal to 0. It will become c square plus 2c minus 10, this is equal to 0. From here it is a plus 2a is this b. That means I have to make this 2c, so b should be 1. So 1 square I will add and 1 square I will subtract, minus 10, this is equal to 0. From these three terms I got c plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 10, this is equal to 0. So from here I got c plus 1 whole square minus 11, this is equal to 0. So c plus 1 whole square is equal to plus 11, taking square root on both sides, this and this cancel. C plus 1 is equal to plus minus square root of 11, one time in plus, one time in minus. It will become c plus 1 is equal to plus 11, or c plus 1 is equal to minus 11. So from here it will be square root of 11 minus 1, or c is equal to minus 11 minus 1. And the answer from here and from here, after calculating, c is equal to 2.32, and from the other side c is equal to minus 4.32. Okay, moving toward the last part, part D, and it starts from D. Okay, it is D and D minus 4, and on the other side it is 2 into D plus 7. Okay, simplified, it will become D square minus 4D, and on the other side it is 2D plus 14. So from here it will d square minus 4d minus 2d minus 14, this is equal to 0. So it is d square minus 6d minus 14, this is equal to 0. Okay, again I cannot apply the AC method, I wish I can. Okay, d minus 2a is d, b is, to make it 3, 6, I have to multiply it with 3. So the square of 3 and square of 3 I have to subtract, minus 14, this is equal to 0. So from these three terms I got d minus 3 whole square, and from here minus 9 minus 14, this is equal to 0. So it will be d minus 3 whole square minus 23, this is equal to 0. D minus 3 whole square is equal to 23. Taking square root on both sides, it will be one time in plus. I want to complete this over here because it will keep in flow. Okay, D minus 3, this is equal to plus minus 23. So plus 23, or d minus 3 is equal to minus square root of 23. From here d is equal to square root of 23 plus 3, and from here it is d is equal to minus square root of 23 plus 3. So from calculator I'll get the answer, that is, okay, from here d is equal to 7.79, and on the other side it is minus 1.80. Okay, moving towards the last question. The last question is y square minus ay minus 6 is equal to 0. They are saying that a is any constant. We have to find the solution of y in terms of a. So means a we will keep as it is. From here it is y square minus 2 y, obviously I have to multiply it with a, but I don't want this 2, so it will be a plus a by 2 square and a by 2 square minus minus 6, this is equal to 0. From here it is y minus a by 2 whole square, and from here it will become a square by 4 minus 6. 6 divided by 1, I have to take the LCM. So from here it will become y minus a by 2 whole square minus, the LCM is 4, a square minus 24, this is equal to 0. Okay, from this side y minus a by 2 whole square, this will be this will move on the other side. So it will become, okay, from here if I will take minus common, so it will become a square plus 24. So on the other side it will shift and it will become a square plus 24 divided by 4. Okay, taking square root on both sides, this and this cancel, it will become y minus a by 2. This is equal to plus minus, this will remain in under square root, and I know that 4 I can write in terms of 2. Clear? Now one time in plus and one time in minus, y minus a by 2, this is equal to square root a square plus 24 divided by 2, or y minus a by 2, this is equal to minus a square plus 24 divided by 2. So these terms will shift on the other side. It will become square root of a square plus 24 by 2, and this a will come over here. Okay, I have taken the square root in one single term. Or y is equal to, this is minus a square plus 24 by 2, and this will become plus. Clear? So you can write in one single term as well. अगर आप यहीं से अगर single answer देना चाहते हैं, so this will be in plus minus a square plus 24 divided by 2 plus a. This answer is also fine, and if you want to give the answers in separate form, so that is the separate form. Hope so the question is clear to you. See you in the next video with exercise 3b. Till that, Allah Hafiz.